Okay, for the last identity we're going to do today, we have the left-hand side, the right-hand side. Again, making a decision on which side, you can go either direction, but one's always easier than the other, usually. This side has more stuff going on. We have fractions that aren't added, aren't subtracted yet. Over here, it looks pretty nice and simplified. All right, so the less simplified one has more stuff we can do to it typically, so I'm going to take the left-hand side. So we've got cosine of 4 theta over sine of theta minus sine of 4 theta over cosine of theta. That's just the left-hand side. So we're going to start there. And again, it's up to you to kind of take a look at it, see where you're trying to go with it. For me personally, if I have two terms on the left-hand side, I'm trying to make it into one term. The first thing I focus on is let's make that left-hand side into one term. So getting a common denominator to add the fraction seems like a reasonable first step for me. So if I just create a common denominator of sine theta cosine theta, I would have to multiply top and bottom of this by cosine of theta to get the desired denominator. I have to multiply top and bottom of this by sine of theta to get the desired denominator, like so. So my numerator becomes cosine of 4 theta cosine of theta minus sine of 4 theta sine of theta. And that is just add fractions. Not too bad, right?
Yeah, because now it's just...
Yeah, and what you notice right away is that's just cosine of two angles minus sine of the same two angles. That's just cosine of a sum or difference identity. And again, if we focus on that identity, the way it's written, cosine of x plus or minus y is cosine of x cosine of y minus plus sine of x sine of y. That's number 33 on our sheet. Okay, so the fact that it's cosine, cosine, sine, sine makes it cosine. And the fact that it's a minus here and the sign changes to plus there, that means the sign should be plus here. And the two angles are x and y, that's right, these two angles here will be 4 theta and theta. So we get cosine of 4 theta plus theta is the equivalent on the top, sine of theta, cosine of theta on the bottom, and that's by number 33. And our final step should be pretty basic. 4 theta plus theta makes 5 theta over sine theta cosine theta, and that's by simplifying. And that will be our full verified identity there. And left-hand side through legal mathematics changes into the right-hand side. That's all we're trying to do with verification identity. Hopefully the more and more you do them, the more likely you are to pick up on patterns and certain things, structures that will help you. The more practice you get, the better you're going to get at them. So even if they're tough, even if you're struggling with them, put some brain power into them, and if you need a hint, ask.